I need you to hear this, and I mean really hear it, because what I'm about to share could save your life or the life of someone you love. Did you know that heart attacks are the #1 killer of adults over 50? And most people have no idea they're walking around with ticking time bombs in their chest, all because they're missing 5 simple vitamins. I learned this the hard way after losing a dear friend who thought he was healthy, until it was too late. If you're over 50, this isn't just about living longer, it's about not dying suddenly. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the 5 miracle nutrients that could stop a heart attack before it even starts. Trust me, this information isn't just life-changing, it's life-saving. So stay with me, your heart depends on it. But first, like and subscribe for more uploads like this. 1. Vitamin E. Have you ever wondered if something as simple as snacking on almonds or adding spinach to your meals could save your life? That's the power of vitamin E. Known as the protector, this nutrient acts as a shield for your heart, helping to fend off one of the deadliest threats for adults over 50, sudden heart attacks. Vitamin E is an antioxidant powerhouse that targets harmful free radicals, unstable molecules that cause damage to cells, including the ones lining your arteries. Over time, these free radicals can lead to plaque buildup, stiffening your arteries and making it harder for blood to flow. This condition, called atherosclerosis, is one of the leading causes of heart attacks. But here's the good news: vitamin E can stop this process in its tracks. Studies from the top cardiology institutes show that individuals with a diet rich in vitamin E have significantly lower risks of cardiovascular disease. This nutrient works like an internal cleanup crew, clearing the damage caused by everyday stresses like poor diet, pollution, and aging. You can find vitamin E in foods you may already enjoy: almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and even avocados. Just a handful of almonds daily can provide nearly all the vitamin E your body needs. Let me share a quick story. Robert, age 72, thought he was doing everything right: regular walks, balanced meals, but he overlooked vitamin E. After his doctor recommended boosting his intake, Robert saw remarkable improvements in his blood pressure and energy levels within months. Don't wait for symptoms to strike. Add vitamin E to your daily routine today to protect your heart and keep your arteries flowing smoothly. Your heart is worth it. 2. Vitamin D. Have you heard of the sunshine vitamin? Most of us associate vitamin D with bone health, but after 50, it's also a vital ally for your heart. In fact, studies show that a deficiency in this essential nutrient can double your risk of cardiovascular disease. Vitamin D works behind the scenes, regulating calcium levels and maintaining the health of your blood vessels. Without enough vitamin D, calcium can build up in your arteries, a silent and deadly condition called vascular calcification. This makes your arteries stiffer and narrower, forcing your heart to work harder to pump blood, a recipe for a sudden heart attack. Unfortunately, as we age, our ability to produce vitamin D from sunlight declines, and modern lifestyles often limit sun exposure. That's why over 50% of adults over 50 are deficient in this crucial nutrient. But here's the silver lining: just 15 minutes of direct sunlight on your skin a few times a week can help your body produce this life-saving vitamin. And for those who can't spend time in the sun, fortified foods like milk, orange juice, and cereals, or a high-quality supplement can fill the gap. Let's talk about Mary, age 68, who rarely went outside due to her busy schedule. After experiencing fatigue and frequent colds, her doctor tested her vitamin D levels and found they were dangerously low. After just 3 months of supplementation, Mary's energy returned, her immunity improved, and her heart health markers stabilized. Your heart needs all the help it can get after 50, and vitamin D is one of its most powerful supporters. Make it part of your daily routine. It's an easy, affordable way to protect your heart and enjoy the vibrant life you deserve. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids, the heart's oil. Imagine your arteries as the pipes in your home. Over time, they can become clogged and stiff, making it harder for blood to flow freely. Now picture a natural oil that keeps those pipes smooth, flexible, and flowing. This is what omega-3 fatty acids do for your heart. Omega-3s are a type of healthy fat found in foods like salmon, mackerel, walnuts, and flax seeds. They are known for their ability to reduce inflammation, lower levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise good cholesterol, HDL. Together, these benefits dramatically reduce the risk of plaque buildup in your arteries. But omega-3s don't just stop there. They also help regulate heart rhythm, stabilize blood pressure, and prevent dangerous blood clots. In fact, research shows that people over 50 who regularly consume omega-3 rich foods or supplements have up to a 30% lower risk of sudden heart attacks. Take the story of Tom, age 70, who used to eat a typical high-fat diet heavy in red meat and processed snacks. After a scare at his annual checkup, his doctor suggested adding omega-3s to his diet. Within months, Tom's cholesterol levels improved, his blood pressure stabilized, and he found he had more energy for his daily walks. The best part? Getting omega-3s into your diet is simple and delicious. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish per week, snack on a handful of walnuts, or sprinkle ground flaxseed over your morning oatmeal. And if that's not enough, a high-quality fish oil supplement can fill in the gaps. Your heart is your body's engine. Don't let it run dry. Fuel it with omega-3s to keep it healthy, strong, and beating for years to come. 4. Vitamin K2. Did you know there's a vitamin quietly working to protect your heart in ways most people don't even realize? Vitamin K2, the silent savior, plays a crucial role in keeping your arteries clear and your heart strong, especially after age 50. As we age, calcium that should strengthen our bones often ends up in the wrong places, like your arteries. This dangerous buildup, called vascular calcification, makes your arteries stiff and narrow, forcing your heart to work harder to pump blood. The result? A dramatically increased risk of heart attacks and other cardiovascular issues. Enter vitamin K2, your heart's unsung hero. This nutrient activates proteins that guide calcium out of your arteries and into your bones, where it belongs. By keeping your arteries flexible and free of blockages, vitamin K2 significantly reduces the risk of sudden heart attacks. You'll find vitamin K2 in foods like hard cheeses, egg yolks, and fermented options like natto, a traditional Japanese dish. But here's the catch. Most of us don't eat enough of these foods. That's why adding a vitamin K2 supplement to your routine can be a game changer. Let me share the story of Jane, 65, who struggled with high blood pressure and signs of early vascular calcification. Her cardiologist recommended a daily vitamin K2 supplement alongside her usual diet. After 6 months, her follow-up tests showed marked improvement with reduced arterial stiffness and better heart health overall. Don't let calcium hijack your health. Vitamin K2 is the key to directing it to the right places, keeping your heart safe and your bones strong. Add it to your regimen today and let this silent savior work its life-saving magic for years to come. 5. Magnesium. Have you ever felt your heart race or noticed muscle cramps that just won't go away? These could be signs of a magnesium deficiency, a hidden danger for your heart. Magnesium is often called the heart's muscle relaxant because it plays a critical role in maintaining a steady heartbeat and healthy blood pressure, especially as we age. After 50, your body's magnesium levels naturally decline, and many of us don't get enough from our diets. This can lead to a cascade of health issues, including irregular heart rhythms, high blood pressure, and even increased risk of heart attacks. Magnesium helps relax the walls of your blood vessels, preventing them from tightening and causing dangerous spikes in pressure. But magnesium doesn't stop there. It also balances calcium and potassium levels in your body, ensuring your heart muscles contract and relax smoothly with each beat. Without enough magnesium, this delicate balance is disrupted, putting unnecessary strain on your cardiovascular system. You can find magnesium in a variety of foods, like dark leafy greens, avocados, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Even a square of dark chocolate contains a surprising amount of this vital nutrient. But for many people, dietary magnesium isn't enough, especially with modern farming practices depleting soil nutrients. That's where a high-quality supplement can help. Take Robert, age 69, who started experiencing frequent heart palpitations and fatigue. His doctor recommended boosting his magnesium intake. Within weeks, his symptoms subsided and his energy returned. Your heart works tirelessly to keep you alive. Give it the support it needs by incorporating magnesium-rich foods or supplements into your daily routine. It's a small step with life-changing benefits, ensuring your heart beats strong and steady for years to come. Before you go, I need you to take a moment and reflect on what we've just covered. These 5 vitamins, vitamin E, vitamin D, omega-3s, vitamin K2, and magnesium, are not just supplements you take casually. They are life-saving tools that could mean the difference between enjoying decades of vibrant life or being struck down by a sudden, preventable heart attack. Heart disease is the silent killer. It doesn't knock. It doesn't warn you. It hits fast and hard, often leaving no second chances. But here's the good news. You now hold the key to protecting yourself and those you love. Incorporating these nutrients into your daily routine is simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. Don't wait until you're sitting in a hospital room wishing you'd acted sooner. I want you to do something right now. Start by checking your kitchen. Are these vitamins part of your diet? If not, write them down, do your research, and make them a priority. Share this video with someone you care about, a parent, a sibling, a friend, because this information could save their life too. Every day, we make choices that either strengthen our hearts or weaken them. Skipping this step isn't just risky, it's gambling with your future. Think about your family, your loved ones, and all the moments you don't want to miss. This is your chance to take control, to protect your heart, and to live the full, healthy life you deserve. And one last thing, don't let this be the last time you take action for your health. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join a community committed to staying informed, empowered, and alive, because your heart and your life are worth it. You've made it this far. Don't stop now. Take what you've learned today and make a change. The time is now, because your heart can't wait.